Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm going to introduce you to some more bits and pieces of things that I have found. I was in the pool room and I found another Commodore 128 board. Most of the chips have been removed, and one of the reasons this could possibly be because the power switch will not move. It is stuck. So now, where did the chips go? I don't know, but everything socketed is gone. Well, no, there's a little chip. I think it might be 8701. I think it might be. Hang on. Yep, 8701. It's in a socket. It's near, I would imagine, the 40 column video. Anyway, so this power switch is no good. And I think looking at it, I don't know if you can see that there. There's the power switch. It's hard to see. Let me just see here. I think it would take more than a couple of things to short it out. I think it would take a couple of things to short it out. I think it would. So, maybe we'll have to see about that. Anyway, this one will not get looked at right away. And I wonder if these, remember I said I was looking for some chips that were sitting around. Well, maybe that's where they came from. Anyway, what else did I find down there? Well, ta-da! Look at that. Another Commodore 128 board. This one is missing some chips. It is, but not as many. Does the power switch work? Yes, it does. Anyway, it's kind of sitting in a case here, but not well. It's not really secured. So this will be one. I suppose what I will do, as I set this down on here, is get a good 128 here and then test the chips that are here that are socketed. And then at some point, hopefully I'll have enough good chips from other things that I can put them in here and see if this actually works. Whether or not I'm short on chips, well, we'll see. And then what else do we have here? Well, look. It's another 128. Now there's a note here. And it says, original 128 test machine, scrambled video. And it too has some chips that are missing, but not everything. So this too would likely be, how's the power switch? Yeah, it works. A candidate to steal things out of, to test things, and then try and repopulate with good chips and see what's what. At least that is the plan. Now I still have, I know it, there's another 128 out in the car. And maybe I should go get it, and there could be others. Maybe I'll look around for them. Anyway, I guess the idea here is, oh my, the floor is getting full again. I'm going to find a place to put this pet, because there really isn't room. But I will. I'll cover up the chips that need to be covered. And then I think this monitor will move so I can have things side by side here and take things out and put things in and test things and see what's what. that is, I think, what I will do, little by little by little. Of course, now I have more magazines up here. Anyway, I've got, you know what, I've been tidying. I've still got more tidying. But now I'm kind of on a 128 kick. And that's not necessarily bad. Not necessarily. Yeah, and looking at the switch for the 128, I believe to short it out, I would need two little double-headed wire things to short it out. I think I would. Anyway, I'm just looking around the board, see if anything else has been scavenged. I don't think it has. So, and in this board here on the top, there are 5 potential chips to remove. U4, U35, U32, U33, and U34. Everything else has been removed. So, yeah. Yeah, I like the way things are written on the board here. What else is missing? U7 is missing, U1 is missing, U5, which is the SID chip, U21, U28, U20, 25. Lots of things are missing. There are. So, anyway, it really doesn't matter in what order that I do things. I'm going to put these down carefully. Here's the one with the power switch that ain't. There's the bottom shielding. I wonder if it's complicated to remove. Well, this looks like a bunch of twisting to remove it. Yeah. Anyway, so looks like we're heading into a little 128 time. This one, I don't think it stands as well. I'll sit it over here. All right, so now it's time to find a good machine to test things in. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.